Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. This video is part 2 of a two-part series installing a regulator in this 2000 Lincoln Town Car. We sell this regulator with the motor included and without the motor. This video is part 2 of replacing the window regulator without replacing the motor. And here's a quick look at the tools that you'll need to accomplish this. And to see the first part of this video, just search for the same video title, but part 1 in the title rather than part 2. Okay, on the window, you'll have these rivets, pair of needle nose pliers. Carefully just pop them out. Okay, so to reinstall a regulator without motor, you can see I just have my original one because it's in good shape. I'm just showing you how to do it in this video. You want to put it in, get it in behind that rod, and then up, and kind of look through these holes. And you can look up above here, and get that into place. Okay, and now to bolt the bottom, I have two M6, and they're 2 centimeter long, and they're the standard 1.0 pitch. And I'm going to use those at the bottom here. I'm going to feed them. And I'll also start my fasteners up here at the top. Okay, and we'll fast forward here, but you can see how I put the nut into the socket with the extension and then feed it in and start it onto the stud of the window regulator. I'm going to take my glass, feed the nose down in. Straighten it. Make sure you feed the nose of the glass down in with the rear in the channel, and then eventually you pull the nose into the front channel and get it all set into the glass channels. Straighten it up. Make sure you pull it into place. Let it down a little further. Pull it front into the channel. And then rotate it up. Okay, let the glass go down. Okay, and then I've got another set of M6, and these are 2 centimeters long. Going through. My 10 millimeter socket here. What I'm actually going to do is, there's no motor on the regulator still, so I can push it down a little bit. Allows me to get my fastener on there. Okay, these ones I will tighten up. Notice none of the other ones I've tightened up so far. And I do have a special type of serrated nut that once you tighten it up, keeps it from loosening. And pull your gear back like that. Put the motor in. Push it into the transmission. And then we'll start this bolt up here. Now you want to look right through. Look right through this hole and bring that screw into place. Okay, and now you can see I've got it in place there, and I've got the holes pretty well lined up there, so I can put the two other screws in. Now pull your lead through and reconnect. Okay, those of you with a keen eye will notice that in this clip, in this shot, the window regulator is now a steel color. That is because I just borrowed this footage from the video where I actually replaced the entire window regulator and motor assembly together. But all the steps are the same for doing this procedure. And now with the key on, run your window up and down a little bit, a couple times. Probably with it right about there. Tighten up this upper one. Tighten up this one. And then retighten my lower ones. All set. Okay. Now reinstall this piece of rubber. Okay, so here I'm just going to speed up putting the door panel back on just to keep the video at somewhat of a manageable length. If you wanted to see this part of the process in regular speed, just check out our other videos for the Lincoln Town Car door panel remove and replace. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.